Lounge, and we're here at Innovation Lounge in LineaPelle. So stay tuned, we're going to start our interview anyway. Alright, I think it's caught now. Hi everyone, my name is Anina and I'm the CEO and founder of 360 Fashion Network. Today I'm coming to you live from LineaPelle in the Innovation Lounge. And I have a special guest, a special neighbor that actually has their company located in the same city where I'm from, Traverse City, Michigan. May I introduce Ryan Hunt from Bloom. Ryan, tell us a little bit about Bloom.
Thank you. So my name is Ryan Hunt. I'm the co-founder of Bloom, and we are working on using algae to clean the environment, to absorb CO2, nitrogen, and phosphorus, water pollution out of the environment, and turning that into a bioplastic material for use in consumer products.
Wow, such as shoes.
So we make shoes. So this is an Adidas shoe. It's the F22. It uses a Bloom midsole. This shoe cleans over 40 gallons worth of water and sequesters over 50 balloons worth of CO2. We also have the Vivo Barefoot. This is an injection shoe with our partners over in the UK. It's been one of our first shoes ever hit the market, and it's been really popular. It's a water shoe, and this whole green part actually contains algae plastic. So over the years, we've been developing with different applications. We really like the idea of using the Bloom material in fashion and in footwear, because people can use this shoe as a way to really tell a person about their missions they care about and what they believe in. So by using the algae biomass, we're actually directly providing an incentive to clean water and air emissions from factories, textile mills, really the entire manufacturing process. So it's creating a circular economy that helps promote the bioeconomy, which allows us to take our pollution and transform it into a raw material that helps displace our reliance on petroleum and fossil fuels.
And you also have some other material here made by Bloom that's sort of like a foam.
Yeah.
But it has, let's see, 30% and 15% algae.
Yeah, so this is a Bloom foam material. This is a sheet stock. It can be die cut into insoles or backpacks or traction pads. It can be loaded anywhere from 10 to over 30% algae by weight, and that algae is a major benefit to the environment. It actually cleans over its weight in water and CO2 emissions, which allows it to act as a sink for pollution in the environment.
It's really soft.
It is very soft.
Why is it so soft?
That's the algae. It's the secret sauce.
So soft. Wow. And comes in lots of colors too. Oh, this one is softer even.
These are all the different standard grades,
wow.
although a factory or a brand can specify exactly what they might want to make. So we can go from very soft to very hard, hydrophobic. This is all closed cell, but if you want it rigid, we can do foamed, non-foamed. We can do biodegradable, non-biodegradable, engineered. So really, depending on what your application is, there's a wide range of different material properties that you can assume. So our technology really transforms the biomass into a thermoplastic material, which is a unique property of algae. The algae protein acts like a polymer and allows it to flow as a thermoplastic in a conventional process, such as injection molding, compression molding, thermoforming, sheet extrusion, and even fiber extrusion. So wide range of applications. Footwear is just the first. I'm really excited to be here in LineaPelle to talk about our brand partners and the many other companies looking to incorporate Bloom into their products to help improve the sustainability of this entire industry.
And before we go, will you show us these little vials
well,
there?
They're glued to the surface.
Oh.
So the camera.
Well, you can't see it, but he has these little vials that actually are showing like the
process. This is really our product. The product is a pellet. I don't know if you can move the camera.
It's a pellet, okay.
It's a resin pellet, and we sell that to the factories. The factories then use that as a sustainable ingredient to make whatever product the brands are looking for. So we're really a raw material provider that's adding value by transforming CO2 and phosphorus and environmental issues into a very positive natural resource through sunlight, solar power, and green technology.
And you were saying yesterday, I overheard, that algae is actually kind of like a pollutant of water when it's too much algae. So by removing it from the water, you're cleaning the water.
Right,
Could you
exactly.
repeat that again?
Yeah, so the algae is a natural substance. The algae that we use is natural algae. It's not a genetically modified organism. It's a natural product. However, in our current state of affairs in the world, we have so much manufacturing, so many people, so much pollution tied to fertilizer, agriculture, municipalities, industrial sources. All this is ending up in the environment. We don't have effective water treatment and air treatment systems that really absorb the nutrients down to these very, very, very tiny levels that we need. And so in order to help industry transform to a cleaner manufacturing environment, algae can not only, which it already is out in nature, exploding and growing more than normal. And that's the issue, is we're choking out local ecosystems and natural environment because there's just too much algae. It suffocates fish, it causes water quality issues, it can cause issues with tourism, wildlife, and even industries. So the idea of being able to prevent that is just as critical as actually utilizing and cleaning it up. So our phase one is going out and cleaning up the algae out of these environments that are, have excessive algae growth. By doing so, we export those nutrients, which restores balance back to that ecosystem. But then furthermore, by Algix incentivizing the purchasing of algae, by putting money out there that's backed by these leading brands like Adi and Vivo and all these other brands, we're able to go out and encourage industry to utilize algae in a way that intercepts those nutrients at the point source, at the factory, at the mill, before we release those nutrients into the environment and cause all these problems. So fortunately in the U.S., algae has been approved as a approved carbon sequestration technology and utilization. So by using the algae and absorbing it and putting it into a long-term durable product, we're able to sequester that carbon and mitigate and avoid the emission of carbons through the more efficient process we use to produce these shoes and products.
And last thing, for our dear friend Casey Cowell, who we are going to send this video to, how did you end up in Traverse City? What's going on
so we
there?
have some of our investors that are located in Michigan and Ludington and Traverse City, and they've been supportive of the mission for a long time. They really believe in the CO2 pipeline and being able to utilize CO2 in a way that is beneficial to the world and gives an enhanced second life to CO2 as it's being currently produced and emitted. We're actually capturing it and reusing it and creating amazing products that help utilize the algae in a way that is really a benefit to society and to the planet.
And somebody is in Traverse City.
Yeah, Bob Manis. Yes, shout out to Bob Manis.
Shout out to Bob Manis. All right, and you're also in Mississippi.
We have a headquarters in Michigan, in Meridian, Mississippi, and we're located. That's where our headquarters is located. That's where our manufacturing operations, our co-founders are based there. We've got sales and marketing initiatives out of there. So we're really excited about bringing manufacturing back to the South and being able to produce a high-tech product in Mississippi. It's a natural product, and really our goal is to transform algae into an agricultural commodity that can be produced and used to make products, all sorts of products, just like we do with oil and corn and soybeans. This is just an advanced feedstock that provides the potential, really the highest potential of any plant on the planet to be able to reduce our carbon footprint and improve our way of doing business in the manufacturing environment we live in today.
Awesome. So LineaPelle Milan, Italy. Who would know that Ryan and I have something in common besides being booth mates? And I love this mission. And come visit us at the Innovation Square in LineaPelle in Milan today and tomorrow. See you there.